Okay guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and of course we will be checking it out together right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out all these assets, and of course everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before following up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with 1000. So right here we have boom 1000, and of course I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. And of course this actually started the downtrend right from here, got to this region, had a pullback, and of course went back down again to break out below that support zone. Okay, it broke out below this support zone, and of course it has been selling since then. Okay, so it got to this support zone, it has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back into an uptrend at the moment. So we expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, let's check it out together. This is boom 500. It actually started the downtrend right from this resistance zone and got to this support zone, had the pullback, and of course it went back on downtrend again. It is still selling at the moment. It will be trying out the support zone again. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend till it get to this particular region. Okay, but for now it is still selling. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. This is crash 1000, and it went on uptrend, got to this region, had a pullback, and of course went back on uptrend till it got to this region, this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, so it's had another pullback, and of course it's trying to go back there again to see if it will be able to break out above it. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back into a downtrend, but for now this is still buying, even though it might not be for a very long time before it will sell. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, so guys, this is crash 500. It actually sold from here till it got to this region, and right from this support zone it started an uptrend, and it has been buying since then. It bought till it got to this resistance zone, and it has not been able to break out from there. So this is still more of a buying. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, even though it might not also be for a very long time. Okay, and of course the next asset, which happened to be the last one, is volatility 75. Volatility 75 started the downtrend from here, got to this support zone, and it played around there for a while before breaking out below it somewhere around here, and of course it kept on selling till it got to this region. Okay, so it is still selling at the moment. If it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on an uptrend. So this is still selling at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time in case it's unable to break out from the support zone. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis very well before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.